Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. Another disclaimer, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial about it. So now all we have to do is to enter this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've got the updates for the apps which we've got currently installed, which we can of course download and update. So all you have to do is to mark those which you want to download. You can mark all of them if you want to, of course. I prefer to choose maybe 3 of them, something like that, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied, so you do not have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. You can turn off the Play Store and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.